This is a problem that lots of people in the world have been suffering. You know this, and you have a history in this country, for the tobacco and also for the telecommunications industry.
The problem of funding.
Yes, funding and receiving receiving some pressure from the industry, several kinds of pressure. In my university, it's a public university. I am not. They are not able to fire me due to politics. So I'm not afraid to say, and that's the truth.
But they didn't like it.
Who didn't like it?
The industry that funded you.
No, I had, we collaborate a lot with what we call, I don't know if you have a similar power here. We have we call four powers. It's the executive, the government, the legislative, as you have here, and the justice. That's, up to 25 years ago, we had only these three powers: executive, legislative, and the justice. And now we have the four power. Some countries have this, we call Ministério Público. So what the Ministério Público does? It has the purpose and the responsibilities of the Ministério Público is just to look after problems that can harm the population. For example, this subject, and we have been collaborating with them, and eventually the operator who was supporting a research in my department, eventually they had a trial in the court, and I was asked by the Ministério Público to testify if that base station located where it was could harm the population. And then I said, we have already results in other countries, epidemiological results showing that you can have problems such as cancer in areas close to the base station. So, and I had the papers. I showed the papers. I was not telling even my research, because we are not medical doctors. We just estimate the fields, we measure the fields, we estimate the fields, we measure the fields, and we do we are able to calculate for example, the electric field in any place of interest. And therefore, we can compare those results with the regulations. And then we say, this here, you are complaining with the regulation used in the States. In this place, you are complaining with the regulation used in Switzerland. And so, the week before, I testified that the project was just they just took off the money from the project.